GGKSA amai pu barim lapen area sangho atum cinthong ahawar kahum ridam pinang an lo charli ahem kangkir kling lapen than bang atum lo charli ahem chidam wangwe baithalang so along SDC asong atum pen vote ki hang amai kapadupon Sri Hajan along BJP asong atum pen vote committee ahem kimi kangpu Kardom, Karbi prime time long pen nili junality movie non birtang ton pen arju ikha. West Karbi ang long cinthong ahawar GGKSA amai pu barim thorom sing rong hang lapen mukrang be atum kahomri da mahut ada porphai crazy ra achitim apor pleng eta phianta lokacharli ahem than bang atum kachidam de la amcho takali lokacharli ahem kangkir clean ki thek dam long abirta there ni phai thomkebra isia ni cart news sa hemalong bitanang pale. GGKSA amai pu barim thorom sing rong hang pen mukrang be atum banghini cinthong ahawar along ahok pet kaching thura putha kachini ji apan kumri dam kidam bomahut pinang lo charli ahem than bang atum abi hate chidam wang we la pen lo ka charli ahem kangkil kling si ke ong pusi alang li tum pen pachini lo ka charli ausuma atum thanga sai ka we ong habit haram betheli ke ot price ho ki ap la pen thambak be ki jui pangtar si ke thek dam long ki ong la son si puthot osomor atum makai kangting anat lok si ke dam ason si thek dam long lo puta alang li tum pen pachini than bang atum kichi dam de lo ki thana bang ave ong si pinang an atum ke lo ka charli amen pen nonggaon guwahati kampur morigaon la pen prekjam adim si toy dun la piti lo puta rong asor atum pen alang litum ka homri da mahut than pachini don angparta morinto langtuk apam lumarchi masereng kungripi dengthewali bongwar ingtiarong bichikri amser malong kasir doloi arong minser thamula ben roman malong kiso atum do bom sita doktor ave doktor ke api alam lo public health center kaselam pedo sita kaselam ki thre ajok hino lablo apu so pahai chot anta ke wang nang ji kilometer thom ke bak an wang nang ji bothalang so an nang kapalit nang ji laan kalilang gari motor ta joy ki ave lasi nona teng bulote cinthong constituency arada phan jinsu me binong lo lasi cinthong constituency arado an atum ta karbiang long atun mos council pen un ana kerap education la pen health center department ahin pen kilang chari dam ji aphan lasi cinthong constituency arado an atum ta karbiang long pen un ana kerap education la pen health department ahin pen kilang chari dam ji aphan si to war tulang rinti lopata chini don West Karbi anglong baithalang so along kewangji MP kilik along SDC asong pengkachi toidun holiram terang aphan ongdung arat atum chengmuri pongsi pen kangthum karni kapadopon abirta nelitum cart news perangke baithalang so pen birtanang pale baithalang so I hit chi pen SDC sai hem along an ongdung armugachi jeng pen si SDC pengkachi toidun MP a candidate holiram terang aphan kangthum karni padopon lapen karbiang lo autonomous council embarim jotson be pen chenglok SDC asong along ki theki dinga tumpen MP candidate holiram terang aphan karjo apijong MP candidate terang asang hopen ongdung gache tongdung aral athengno along kewangji MP kilik aputhang lam theki jai pon pado bangso amai kapado pon ahut BJP laben congress asong penta SDC asong along pinang an adon gaching bedun abirta ripdun long
ajir dintu contractor bunne koboje CMor bhaiti CMor bhaini CMor kiba ei CMor kiba tar bhaiti bulege kule এখানে রাইস উন্নতি যদি লাগে এই রিসিট ভোট দিব অতএব যদি লাগে এই রিসিট ভোট দিব এই ঘর ভাবা যদি আমি উন্নততর এটা ধুনিয়া সুখী সমাজ যদি লাগে এই রিসিট ভোট দিব
Sri Hajan tower kok plikachi kok along thereni phai thom kep ani anarlo por phai kre isi apor malompen Sri Hajan right wing lapen left wing aparman vote committee asa hem kimi em jokaching ingti arideng pen kangpupon abeta pherang ke pen cart news sa hem along beta nang pale Rongdo bui pen gachipa hempupon amaya long mai ke pha alam the kladak pensionaram terang pensi jai ponlo labang so amaya long alhisar po aman pen karbiang long autonomous council em jokaching ingti chitong dun manpeng alhi aman pen sarupathar VDC chairman risu singna honaram singna mahesor tokbi sarupathar VDC chairman barim uttom tiso bidar singh teron kapui gatharpi henry hansepi pen chenglok ke the ke ding atung chetong dun si vote committee a hem kimi kangpu amai along RDP dun mai along EM pen lam the ki chai pon ke ongdung avot pidun pen BJP pen ka chetoi dun MP a candidate Horen Singh be aphan pa hai pon nang pola pen BJP a song atum ke hem prek ta hangbom la son thot si MOU la pen MOS alam don ka chetok apota pachun pon thek popu kradak pen lam the jai la pen rong rup ka ching thur pon asai ta claim tam pon pami long poputa ka chetong dun adara theng no kradak pen lam the Kicai pon pado lapen BJP asong pen kacetoy dun MP kili kacipate dun abang pu Horen Singh be aphan mate pidong harjan along vote chok dun non pu pen chenglok pinang an alam chethan chimum pon patu ponsi mai mesening samjin pen pachun pon non malam so poraban betamung ton pon iksena
kan kray silo vote ke joktang nilikai ta mathada
nili ki pia vote lakha pon doma kalite nili ke berate mission along klang pamelo ma
nilikai ta mathada ke joka teng pen ke patini avar sai doma
ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote lo dam lo puang thai doma ningke hanga party aphan
kachiki klong isia kimia dichi vote ke jok ang the kot pen ke patini un adichi VVPAT henlo Nilining dorik ason anthir thipen kangsai unadichi lake isi salajong pen karjab adichilo lapen EVM along cherap lok ahormulo EVM lapen VVPAT pen nangli ko son si vote jokpo kengkam isi polling booth arlokilut vote ke jok ahem arlokilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pekarpo kengkam hini vote jok milo Ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hanga bang puamen mate ang thek pen pachiton ra ber ignon kingkam ke thom ake era tur klang luma ning ke hanga bang puamen adung ake era tur klang pu kingkam pli kangchap alu klang luma VVPAT along ke klang kangchap alu aphai lang ignoi haladak nang li ning ke hanga bang puamen mate ang thek klang luma labang su kangchap alu achet second troxian siklang chonji Laso apilo te amina chi thui pen che beng pet si siang deng along che thap dam thot pu VVPAT ke isi aki mi che thang klong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar la pen nili che chini ko mata phansi vote ke jok vek ma la pen nili theklong lo ko pima ning ke the klardak chengbar kri ke jok vek avot ning ke hang abang phu aphan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hammer lo pen bar be aprang e phong VVPAT along patini te kang tha Laki kemisen alam lo. Jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelang puluti lapen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta ningkan khrenar kep choklu puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic araida te non ke nang kileji lok sabha election inkoira sirkep aput vote chok dun ignon
Turkimi Academy Jifu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Turkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Turkimi Society.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice.
Introducing a system that can assure you. The Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail of VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nanya cu sirham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepakeng dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalam Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Di foi ATR lo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pensoar lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kecengsi sopin so la pensoar lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rong Parpi, Rong Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihin namo pi puthot birtalong wangthulo. Chinthong MSC constituency ke parlo umcheken polling station along theri ni phai thom kebra isi ani BJP Chinthong Mondor committee amai pujoy sing bongrum kahumri dam ahot local committee amai ka paman pon abirta pherang kepen birtanang pale. Local committee amai pusa rong phar pen kachipa hem pupon amai along aluhi aman pen Chinthong Mondor committee BJP mai pujoy sing bongrum chitong dun. bangso amai along kidam tang mondor congress committee along chun bangbari mensing sinar lapen alang limitang atoy ani pen cheken polling station along local committee amai kapadupon ahut don plikebra troxy aton bjp along kaching bedun lapen alang litumapan chinthong mondor amai pujoy singbong room ari deng pen deng pon Karbi prime time manggila pon sekang ton pon iklo dume thakme kuwang thu